Hey there, and welcome back to ESL-Easy English. I'm James, your guide to speaking real, everyday English with more confidence and ease. Today, we're diving into one of the most important and honestly, one of the most powerful skills for becoming fluent in English, learning how to think in English. Now, if that sounds a little strange or difficult, don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of English learners ask me, James, how do I stop translating in my head all the time? And the answer is this. You train your brain to think directly in English, step by step. So in this episode, I'll show you exactly how to do that. We'll go over practical methods you can use today, at home, on the bus, while walking, or even while brushing your teeth. If you're ready, let's jump in. So, why is thinking in English so important? Well, if you're always translating from your native language, your brain is doing double work. First, it thinks in your language, then it tries to switch to English. That takes time. It causes pauses. It slows your speaking down. And honestly, it's exhausting. But when you think directly in English, you speak faster, your words come more naturally, and you feel more confident. All right, let's start with the first technique. Technique number 1. Use simple English words throughout the day. Start small. You don't need full sentences in your head at first. Just begin with everyday words. You see a tree? Think, tree. You pick up your phone? Think, phone. You drink some coffee? Think, I'm drinking coffee. That's it. Simple, right? The goal is to train your brain to link what you see with English words, not your native language. And the more often you do this, the more natural it becomes. Technique number 2. Label things in your house. Grab some sticky notes or little pieces of paper and start labeling objects in your home. Write door on your door, mirror on your mirror, fridge on your fridge. Every time you see the word, your brain makes the connection again. This creates a little English world around you. Bonus tip. Say the word out loud when you use the object. Open the fridge, say fridge. Grab an apple, say apple. It may sound silly, but it works wonders. Technique number 3. Describe what you're doing. In your head. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, describe it in English. If you're walking through the park, think, the sun is shining. I see a family having a picnic. The grass is green. If you're cooking, think, I'm chopping onions. I'm boiling the pasta. This is called mental narration, and it helps you connect thoughts directly to English sentences. Technique number 4. Expand your sentences with details. As you get more comfortable, start adding a little more detail. Instead of just thinking, the car is red, try, the small red car is parked in front of the bakery. See how that paints a clearer picture? This helps you build more complex thoughts, which makes your speaking smoother and richer later on. Technique number 5, play quick recall games. Here's a fun little game. Go into a room and name 5 things you see in English. Then leave the room and try to remember all 5. It's simple. It's fast. and it gives your brain a real workout. Try this outside too, maybe while waiting in line or walking somewhere. Technique number 6. Describe other people around you. If you're on a bus or in a cafe, take a look around and, just in your head, describe what other people are doing. For example, the woman with the yellow bag is reading a book, or the man in the black jacket is talking on the phone. It's quiet practice, but super effective. Technique number 7. Talk to yourself in English. This one's my favorite, and yes, it's okay to talk to yourself. When you wake up, say, "I'm getting out of bed." At breakfast, "This toast is delicious." You can also ask yourself questions. What's my plan today? Then answer, "I'm going to study, take a walk, and cook dinner." And at night, try, "What did I do today?" Practicing like this helps you form full sentences in your head, naturally. Technique number 8. Record yourself speaking. Choose a topic you like, maybe your job, your favorite movie, or your weekend plans. Then record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Listen back. Notice your pronunciation. Could the sentences be clearer? Did you forget any words? This is one of the fastest ways to improve, because you hear yourself the way others do. Technique number 9. Think in English while reading or listening. If you're watching a video or reading something in English, try to stay in English. Don't translate. Instead, use the words and the context to understand. For example, if you hear, "The dog is barking," imagine the sound of barking. Don't translate it. If you see, "The girl is shivering because it's cold," you can probably guess that shivering means shaking. It's okay if you don't get every word. The more you do this, the better your brain gets at guessing meaning, just like native speakers do. Technique number 10. Use English for decisions. Making a choice? Try doing it in English. Should I wear the blue shirt or the white one? I'll take the blue one. It's more comfortable. Even simple thoughts like this help make English part of your natural thinking process. Want to go further? Write your decisions down in a little notebook. I chose the pasta because I was really hungry. This helps with writing and sentence structure too. All right, before we wrap up, here are a few extra bonus techniques you can try. Spaced repetition. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to review words over time. It's one of the best ways to make vocabulary stick. Visual association. Link new English words to images or ideas, not your native translation. Picture apple as a big red fruit, not as a word in your own language. Shadowing. Listen to slow English and repeat after the speaker at the same time. It's great for pronunciation and rhythm. We have a lot of shadowing in our short story playlist on the channel page. English Thinking Journal. Every night, write down 3 things you thought about in English that day. It's a simple habit, but a powerful one. Thinking in English isn't something that happens overnight, but if you practice a little each day, it becomes easier. and soon it becomes natural. So don't rush. Be kind to yourself, and remember, the more English you use in your mind, the more fluent you'll sound when you speak. That's it for today's episode. Try out one or two of these techniques this week, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Do you already think in English sometimes? I'd love to hear about it. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a lesson. We post new videos and podcast episodes every week to help you learn English in real, useful, and fun ways. I'm James, and this is ESL Easy English. Thanks for listening. And please buy us a coffee in the link below if you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.